viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can earn free up to free $6 per day. How you can earn more than $6 per day by just listening to audio and music. So guys, if you know you enjoy what we'll be doing on this channel, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell so whenever we upload nice content like this, you're going to be among the first to be notified on that. So guys, the name of the site which I'm going to be showing you today is called RadioN.com. So guys, I'm going to be dropping the link in the description box below. So when you click on the link or you type into your browser RadioN.com, it's going to be taking you to this site. So guys, this site is worldwide. You can use it anywhere in the world. So guys, as you can see how it works, it's simple, fast, and you can earn on it. So to sign up, as you can see over here, create a free account on RadioN.com. is 100% free. After registration, you can log in and see your account. To start audio or use app, start earning by click open your radio links and also use our API for your website if you wish that your user listen to you. As you can see over here, earn and pay out. Every 15 minutes you get points that will converted at the following month to USD. The USD can be paid out to your bank transfer, Amazon or gift card, or also Bitcoin. So guys, as you can see, you can freely earn on this site without any investment. So all you need to do is to click on these three lines in the top right corner of your screen, and you click on the sign up button which is over here. Now when you click on the sign up button, you go ahead and fill in your information to sign up. After signing up, you can log in. So guys, this is the account I created for the purpose of this video. It's a new account I created for the purpose of this video. So when you are on your account after you've successfully signed up, all you need to do, you click on the menu button which is over here to see some music and stations you can listen to. And as you can see, when you click on the menu, you can go to your account to see your balance. Just click on start earning to see some tasks you can do. Here is where you can change your points, the points you get from each audio you listen to. You can change your points to your Bitcoin or your US dollars, or you can withdraw them through wire transfers and the rest of them. So guys, when you start earning, you're going to be seeing them, but for now, as you can see, current listener 0, account warning 0, PTS balance 0, and our USD balance is 0. So guys, to start earning now on this site, all you need to do, when you click on this menu which is over here, it's going to be showing you this, and then you click on start earning. Now when you click on the start earning button, it's going to be taking you to where you can listen to radio stations. Now when you click on start earning, as you can see, listen radio, advertise member, earn by share interest too. And when you click on the start listing radio, which is over there, when you click on the listing radio, this is what is going to be showing you. As you can see, listing radio and get paid. When you listen to radio stations, you get paid for free just for listening. As you can see, when will I get paid? You get paid every 15 minutes. You get 0.25 points. You see in summary your earnings or error. So guys, as you can see over here, the radio station in which we are going to be listening is Europe plus USA. So as you can see, start radio 1, start radio 2, start radio 3. As you can see, for radio 1 it is mixed music / German news, which is music and German news. For start radio 2 is party and dance. Start radio 3 is chill out / MSMR. So guys, all you need to do now to start and listening to N on this site, you click on start radio 1. Now when you click on the start radio 1, it's going to be taking you to where you can listen to radio. And as you can see over here, all you need to do is to click on the play button, which is over here. And when you click on the play button, when you watch closely, this is going to be counting down to the end, and when it reaches the end, which is over here, it's going to count again, and before it starts counting for the 15 minutes. So you click on the play button. I'm going to be reducing that, so you are going to be listening to this for 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes your points are going to be rewarded to you. As you can see, the music is already playing, so you are going to be listening to this for 15 minutes. So guys, as you can see, when this counts down to here, when it's finished counting, it starts all over again. Then when it counts again, it's going to be counting for 15 minutes. So guys, I'm not going to be waiting for that to count to the 15 minutes, so we're going to be going back, and you can also do that for start radio 2, which is dance and party. That is after the start radio 1, which is mixed music. You can also do the second one, and also click on the play button. So guys, you are going to be listening to it for 15 minutes to get your points. So guys, when you've done any of this, you can just, if you have like 2 phones, maybe you are not using the other one as regularly, you can just log into the site, put on your data, and just listen to radio stations play, and you are going to be earning for listening to those radio stations, as you are their traffic, so they pay you for listening to their radio station. So guys, this is how you can earn on this site, and when you've earned some reasonable amount of points, you can come over here and click on point exchange. When you click on the point exchange, it's going to be exchanging your points. As you can see over here, your points are going to be exchanged, and your earnings are going to be sent to your account immediately. You can withdraw them as Bitcoin to your Bitcoin address, and the rest of them you can withdraw in also USD, which is the US dollars. So guys, this is how you can earn freely on this site. So guys, if you know you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload nice content like this, you're going to be among the first to be notified on that. So guys, listen and thanks for watching.